Welcome to Texas Counterfeiters, the premier destination for high-quality natural stone countertops in Richardson, Texas. Discover our diverse collection, carefully curated to enhance your countertops, walls, and more. At Texas Counterfeiters, we import premium natural stone slab countertops from world-renowned quarries. Choose from marble, quartzite, granite, onyx, travertine, limestone, quartz, porcelain, and dolomite. Each slab is a masterpiece. Step into our expansive showroom in Richardson, Texas, where you'll find over 200,000 stunning slabs on display. Whether you're looking for countertops or custom features, we have everything you need to bring your vision to life. Our stone slabs aren't just for countertops. Use them to craft beautiful kitchen islands, elegant bathrooms, and custom wall features. The possibilities are endless with our luxurious natural stone slabs. Discover unique stone art pieces crafted by renowned artisans and quarries from around the world. Our curated selection of stone fixtures is the perfect complement to your countertop project, adding an artistic touch to any room. We take pride in offering an unparalleled selection of stones with uncompromising quality. At Texas Counterfeiters, we are dedicated to delivering the highest quality products and services to our customers. Experience the beauty of natural stone slabs and countertops in Richardson, Texas firsthand by visiting our showroom. Let our experts guide you through our extensive collection, helping you select the perfect stone for your next project. Texas Counterfeiters, 909 North Bowser Road, Richardson, Texas 75081.